It's a nice June afternoon as I'm driving home from work. At this point in my driving, I'm only nominally aware of what's going on around me as I'm more focused on the phone conversation I'm having with Megan than in staying alert to things around me. In front of me, as you can see, is a small truck towing an empty trailer, save for a tire that's on it. Now here, I'm taking the exit I need to take in order to get onto eastbound I-30, as is the person in front of me. Very gradually, it becomes clear to me that there might be a problem with the tire possibly falling off the trailer as I can see it bouncing around a little bit, and indeed, this is precisely what eventually happens. As an aside, when the moment arrives, I'll fade into the actual dashcam audio where you can clearly hear me exclaim surprise when the tire does indeed fall off the trailer. As well, you'll hear me explain to Megan what just transpired. As we continue to drive along the overpass, you'll see that there are two small shoulders available to pull off to on either side of the lane we're in. The significance of this will become clear in a few moments. I'm still having my conversation with Megan here, but I'm being more alert at this point. I'm drawing your attention to the fact that because the road is getting uneven here, you can clearly see the tire is bouncing around. The two shoulders disappear rather quickly due to concrete barriers put in place by the construction crew so there's nowhere to pull off to. And here it comes.
Oh! Whoa! Ooh, I got a cool, well, it's a scary video. I almost lived one of those car accident videos we've seen.
Praise God that the tire missed hitting my car, and from what I could see in looking at the rearview mirror, it also missed the cars that were behind me as well.